INDIA bloc. We also earlier got to know that there was going to be a key meeting between Sharad Pawar and Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal, because we still don't know what is the stand of the Aam Aadmi Party. What's
regarding the face of the India bloc, as that is a major concern which is being raised by many of the parties, as we have seen that now a support has come on the part of Lalu Prasad Yadav for the name of Mamata Banerjee, that the Congress party is not listening to their stand. They are not coordinating with the other alliance partners, and that is the only reason why this debate had started, when the TMC MPs had started raising reason why he had mentioned that only Mamata Banerjee can defeat BJP if there will be a clear-cut fight between both the parties, and that is the only reason why now a pitch has been raised by other in the country, but that is already being done, and now this debate can only be started when there will be the next Lok Sabha elections in the country. That is going to be in 2029, as Congress party doesn't believe in having
averse to this idea of having Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the INDIA bloc. In fact, he said that all the parties in the INDIA bloc will collectively take this decision. Listen in.
और हमारे समझ से इंडिया अलायंस में जितने लोग हैं, जितने सीनियर लीडर्स हैं, कोई भी आए तो उसमें आपत्ति किसी बात की नहीं होगी.
Let's go back to Niyamika, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Niyamika, the face of the India bloc and will continue to remain so. But what is the view of other Congress MPs, given how the chorus is growing every single day in favor of Mamata Banerjee?
There's no such discussion which needs to be done about the India bloc party's face right now, because it is not necessary, as there are some other issues which needs to be focused on the part of the opposition, as the parliament, several leaders within the India bloc parties as well, who are still of the view that this is a decision which needs to be taken after consultation with all the other alliance partners as well, because this is a very crucial decision.